Alert for Joe! Good! Zero salute! Salami, go!
मैम आप ये साइड आ जाइए मैडम।
सेंटर में लीजिए ना
मैडम भैया कम ऑन सेंटर मैम।
सेंटर में लीजिए
अभी ये पूरा पूरा ग्रुप लेगा
सर यू हैव टू कम प्लीज कम एक्सक्यूज मी
मैम यहाँ पे पूरा पूरा ग्रुप लेगा
थोड़ा बाहर आ जाइए ना फ्रेम में एक्सक्यूज मी हाँ प्लीज पूछा दिया साथ में हाँ आप प्लीज
लिटिल बिट
Cadet Divyansh Parekh to undertake the oath for the Maritime Games 2025. हम अपने देश में भगवान को
नाम
फ्रेम ले रहे हैं
हाँ श्योर क्या नाम दो यस
Padma Shri Dr. P.T. Usha, Director General Shyam Jagannath Ji, the Deputy Director General of Shipping, amongst everybody else featured. Captain Mihir Chandra is felicitating Can I please ask the Secretary General of the Maharashtra Olympic Association, Mr. Namdev Shirgaonkar, to join them? And can we also request you, we have DIG Bisain felicitating, DDG Bisain felicitating the CMD of the Shipping Corporation of India, Captain Tyagi. Mr. Mihir Chandra felicitating the PSAMD of the Indian subcontinent. I would now like to ask the director of the IMU, Mr. Mihir Chandra, to felicitate P.T. Usha. And IMU Director Mr. Mihir would also be felicitating DG Sham Jagannath ji. Thank you very much, Mr. Mihir. If I could please request DG Sham Jagannath ji to say a few words.
Namaskar and good evening. Most stable democracy, our maritime interests have to be served by each and every member of the maritime domain. Cadets who are studying in the IMU campus here are our maritime future, and
I'm sure all the boys, all the participants would be really thrilled to have her in our presence, acknowledging the fact what Shri Shyam Jagannathan ji envisaged and conceived a couple of months back, and I'm happy to be a part of that thought today that we are seeing it into reality.
मैं ये वचन दोबारा दोहराता हूँ डीजी साहब कि आप बढ़े चले, हम आपके साथ हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, Captain B.K. Tyagi ji. Your words serve as an inspiration to us all. Lastly, I'd like to call upon the Secretary General of the Maharashtra Olympic Association, Mr. Nadev Shirgaonkar, to please say a few words.
Respected Padma Shri awardee and legendary athlete PT Usha ma'am, DG Sham Jagannath ji, Shipping Corporation of India Chairman
PT Usha ma'am, my eminent colleague Captain B.K. Tyagi, CMD Shipping Corporation of India, DIG Syed Saab from Indian Coast Guard, other dignitaries, Secretary General from the Maharashtra Olympic Association, all cadets.
With the support of the association, not only from Maharashtra, we are looking at support from the various state associations when we go to the zonal tournaments. I'm sure this will be a game changer. The concept is to bring. Thank you very much for all the support you all have given, and this is just the start. So this is not the end for you. We'll have glitches. I hope you all are listening. That as we go ahead, we have 14 days to handle. The press, the media. I'm very happy that you all are here, and we have ma'am with us, so the coverage that we would get with this maritime games, I'm sure we'll all be seeing it in the next few days. To IMU campus, thank you very much for this location, and of course for all the support you have been given. And I cannot stop mentioning about SCI.
For giving me this opportunity. It's a privilege to be here, especially sharing with the legendary Dr. PT Usha ma'am. Ma'am, I want to tell you I'm a big fan, but I was watching Lapata Ladies on Netflix for the third time. I guess you guys have watched that movie, and that movie at the police station there is a wife and a husband, and he says, "Aur bhai PT Usha, bahut bhagne ka shauq hai." I love that. So when your name is used at the movie, that means you are a legend for running. And ma'am,
verticals from all over India. It will pick up momentum. Like we said earlier, there have been over 87 or 86 companies who have taken part, over 1,800 participants to be exact, and 14 disciplines over 12 days from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
करो
मैरिटाइम नेशनल गेम्स मैरिटाइम डोमेन के लिए एक परिवार एकाग्र होकर स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू इस इवेंट्स के थ्रू एक कमराडरी स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट को बढ़ावा देना चाहती है। आप सब जानते हैं कि भारत में जो सागरी इंटरेस्ट है, द मैरिटाइम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज फॉर द इंडियन इकोनॉमी 90% बाय volume and 70% by value of all the export and import of commodities which power the growth of Indian economy are on maritime routes. Ships पे जो हमारे officers हैं, other ranks हैं, onshore हमारे companies, इंडिया आज एक major crewing destination है। 12.5% of the global seafaring pool is coming from India, and we are increasing this to 20%. It is a celebration of what the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, have envisioned in the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Amrit Kaal Vision 2047. ये Maritime Games,
These games, the Maritime Games, is all about togetherness, getting inclusiveness from all verticals of shipping. It's not only a few sections. We are talking about all the verticals from all over India. It will pick up momentum. Like we said earlier, there have been over 87 or 86 companies who have taken part, over 1,800 participants to be exact, and 14 disciplines over 12 days from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
करो
मैरिटाइम नेशनल गेम्स मैरिटाइम डोमेन के लिए एक परिवार एकाग्र होकर स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू इस इवेंट्स के थ्रू एक कमराडरी स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट को बढ़ावा देना चाहती है। आप सब जानते हैं कि भारत में जो सागरी इंटरेस्ट है, द मैरिटाइम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज फॉर द इंडियन इकोनॉमी 90% by volume and 70% by value of all the export and import of commodities which power the growth of Indian economy are on maritime routes. Ships पे जो हमारे officers हैं, other ranks हैं, onshore हमारे companies, इंडिया आज एक major crewing destination है। 12.5% of the global seafaring pool is coming from India, and we are increasing this to 20%. It is a celebration of what the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, have envisioned in the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Amrit Kaal Vision 2047. ये Maritime Games, Maritime Sport Endeavour से bonding होगी, मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए दी पब्लिसिटी वुड बी देयर, यंग जो हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं who want to join and become a part of this maritime family, उनको आकर्षित करने के लिए, और हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए a celebration, a festival to come together, to participate, to compete and to bring together that family bonding. This is the spirit of the Maritime National Games. इसको हम हर 2 साल करेंगे नेशनली, एंड प्रयास ये है कि 4 क्षेत्रीय गेम्स होंगे, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ, एंड 1 स्पेशल एडिशन फॉर द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री।
क्या बात है, ये अनुष्का मैम।
Being here today and launching one of the most beautiful projects ever, and give us some moments of improvement.
Actually, I am here because I felt that it's a very good initiative from Jagannath ji, and the sports is the one who can unite people together. and to make the maritime games important to everybody, and to meet the players and to encourage the players, to motivate the players are here. So it's a very good initiative.
So how are you feeling today? You were the one who brought over proceedings and gave us the answer.
Actually, it is under the leadership of DG sir only. He, among his many projects, this one maritime games was since last 5-6 months. We started somehow, we thought of how to go about it, how to arrange maritime games. And it's not only we want to keep it to one vertical, we want to include the entire maritime industry. With lot of initially hiccups, then we finally said, he given direction, no, you go ahead, let us start as a pilot. Then we somehow formed a core group. Then core group has, then core group has really put in lot of efforts, and then that's how we have gone ahead. And I was initially a bit skeptical about the fundings and all, but then there is always support of DG sir, that he himself is taking review, and he himself is finding out that no, you will get funds which is required to organize the entire maritime game in a very grand manner and fashion, so that we can prepare a project in such a way that we can organize these games biennial, regularly on a larger scale, including different zones. So that is what our objective is. Again, under his leadership, we will be taking it further, and then definitely we will try to bring in people from different zones, and we will identify now which will be the next venue, with what kind of, what will be the scope of the next maritime games, when we will be proposing maybe 2027 or whenever. So this is how we have started, and I am personally hopeful that we will take it a long way.
No, we are very nervous, and because we had to, in such a short span of time, such humongous job which is being given to us. So I hope I can deliver the way he had envisaged, the way he had dreamt of, the way his aspirations are, and the whole team is working relentless. And we have got entire team of from the sports management fraternity. They all are very well qualified, and I'm very sure we can deliver it.
Please give us some lines for people who are participating in some lessons on sportsmanship.
Any tips?
Participation itself is a very important thing, They should try their best, that's all. Whether it is winning or not that interesting. But I'm happy to see all of them here. I think this 10 days, I think it is a 10 days one, no? They will enjoy it. And it's a very good initiative. That is why I'm here.
Any last word from you, sir?
दिनेश फोटो मारना है, अभी फोटो चाहिए मेरे। मैम एक बार फोटो हो जाए, अनुषा में एक फोटो कर ले।